today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you 3 simple steps on how to fix screen flickering on your Windows 11 laptop. Screen flickering on a laptop can be caused by outdated or corrupted display drivers, incompatible applications, or hardware issues like a loose or damaged display cable. The first step is to simply head to the search bar and type in Device Manager. On this page, let me maximize it. Click on this option of Monitor. Select on this option of Generic Monitor. For your case, it can either be Integrated Monitor or PNP Monitor. Just right-click and select on Update Driver. Click on this second option of Browse My Computer for drivers. On this page, select on Let me pick from a list of available drives on my computer. In this section of compatible hardware, you will find 2 to 3 options here. The screen flickering issue sometimes occurs due to old adapter driver, or when you didn't select the correct driver for the monitor. Select on a different model of compatible hardware driver and click on Next. It will update successfully. If it didn't work for you, let's move on to the next step. Still on the Device Manager, select on the option of Display Adapters. For this case, we have to update the graphics driver. You might be using Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA graphics card. Right-click and select on Update Driver. Still select on this second option. Then click right here. So here I also have options to choose on. Simply select a different option and click on Next to update. You will go on trying all the options until you have what works for you. Now, if you have tried those 2 methods but still have the screen flickering issue, the last alternative is to update your Windows. Head to the search bar and search for Check for Updates. Whether you're using Windows 10 or 11, you will want to check for updates. Install the latest updates. Restart your computer and the screen flickering problem will get resolved. On personal levels, the second method worked for me. Let me know which of the 3 methods worked for you, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.